Okay, this is my 9 horsepower Yanmar diesel that I got for a trade for a snowplow that I did not use. As you can see, I got some temporary stuff going on here. Temporary fuel tank, filter. Got my fuel line going to the injector, or the fuel pump. The guy wanted $300 for the engine. It didn't run. I brought it home. Had a bad starter, so I got a redneck started now. I made me up a little redneck starter. So this is a L90 AE. Sorry about the camera shot. I bought it without any exhaust and without any fuel tank, and I put the pulley on the back of it. This pulley has a keyway. It's the keyway type pulley, and I'm hoping this will end up on my lawnmower. Here's the starter, but the magnetic switch went bad on it. This engages the starter. I'm going to see if I can get it started for you. Yeah, I got some springs and stuff missing on my throttle here. I got to straighten out. I did go ahead and change the oil. I'll see if I can get her started for you. Redneck starter. Also, I do this with the decompression lever. And again, got that redneck too. Now, I pull this with my teeth after I get her rolling here. Alright. We bring up the... Let's see if it'll start. This is start number 2. There it is. It runs very well. Idles down well. Got some rubber isolators underneath. Take up some of the The man I bought it from said it needed the fuel pump. It did not need the fuel pump. I don't know why he said that. But here it is. Runs great. slow idle for you. It's as low as this one will get, pretty much. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Oh yeah, hey, want to see it throttle up?